If you've ever bought Bitcoin at one of those kiosks in a gas station or convenience store, Ottawa just quietly moved to shut down almost every single one of them. And most Canadians who use them have no idea it's happening. I'm your crypto compass. Let's get your bearings. Nearly 4,000 crypto ATMs are on the chopping block across this country. But here's the part nobody's talking about. The government isn't just banning them. They're funding a whole new agency to go after crypto fraud at the same time. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to use instead, and why it's actually safer than the machine you've been using. This goes back to the federal government's spring economic statement from April 28th of this year. Buried inside, it was a proposal to ban crypto ATMs, the physical kiosks where you can walk up, feed in cash, and walk away with Bitcoin nationwide. We're talking close to 4,000 machines, most of them in gas stations, convenience stores, and strip malls in cities like Toronto, Vancouver, and Montreal. As of right now, the enabling legislation hasn't formally been tabled in Parliament yet. It's still described as expected shortly. So the machines aren't gone today. But the direction is set, and it's not getting reversed. Here's the detail almost nobody's reporting. That same budget document didn't just target ATMs. It also funded a brand new financial crimes agency, over $350 million over 5 years, plus more than $80 million a year after that, specifically built to go after sophisticated financial fraud, crypto included. So, this isn't a random crackdown on one machine type. It's part of a much bigger push to tighten the entire system around crypto fraud in this country. That's your first clue about why the ATMs specifically are the target. And I'll get to that right after this. Crypto ATMs have a reputation problem, and honestly, it's earned. Unlike buying crypto through a registered exchange, these machines let you walk up with cash and get crypto with almost no oversight. No bank transfer trail, minimal ID checks on lower amounts, and cash in, crypto out in under 2 minutes. That combination, cash, speed, low oversight, is exactly what makes them attractive to money launderers. And it's also what makes them a favorite tool in a specific kind of scam. The one where fraudsters convince victims, often seniors, to withdraw cash and feed it directly into one of these machines to protect their money or pay a fake fee. Once that crypto moves, it's gone. And it's landing at a nervous moment for the market generally. Bitcoin's been sliding the past week, and the Fear and Greed Index is sitting at 30, solidly in fear territory. When people are already anxious about their money, losing a familiar way to buy crypto can feel like one more thing going wrong. But here's the thing. What's replacing these ATMs is actually the safer option, not a downgrade. Here's the payoff. If you've been relying on crypto ATMs, or you're just now hearing they exist, the alternative is simple. And for most Canadians, it's already better. Registered Canadian platforms let you buy Bitcoin and other crypto directly with an Interace e-transfer or bank transfer right from your phone. No kiosk, no cash, no standing at a gas station. And the fee difference is not small. Crypto ATMs typically charge somewhere between 10 and 20% per transaction, some of the highest fees in the entire industry. Registered exchanges charge a fraction of that, and some, like Newton, don't charge a trading fee at all. So the ban isn't taking something away and leaving a gap. It's pushing people toward platforms that are cheaper, regulated, and actually built with fraud protections the ATMs never had. If you're finding videos like this helpful, cutting through what's actually changing in Canadian crypto rules without the hype, hitting subscribe means you'll catch the next one. I cover Canadian crypto news every week. So here's where this leaves things. Nearly 4,000 crypto ATMs are on their way out, backed by a new $350 million agency built to chase down crypto fraud. If you're one of the Canadians who's used one of these machines, now's the time to move to a registered exchange before the legislation actually lands and the choice gets made for you. Hit subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what happens when this legislation actually gets tabled. I'll be tracking it here first. And next up, I'm breaking down whether Canada's big banks quietly already own Bitcoin through your retirement accounts. That one might surprise you. What's your biggest question about how this ATM ban affects you? Drop it in the comments below.